Now children, we are going to talking about the things. Tell me, what is this?
Pencil.
Very good. What is this?
Glass.
Now tell me, where is the pencil? Okay. The pencil is.
In the glass.
Now you say. The pencil is.
On the glass.
Very good. The pencil is now. Tell me, where is pencil?
Under the glass.
Now tell me, where is the pencil?
Near the glass.
The pencil is.
In the glass.
Very good. The pencil is.
Behind the glass.
Now repeat again. The pencil is in the glass. The pencil is.
On the glass.
The pencil is near the glass. The pencil is under the glass. The pencil